just moving all the Jello shots to the fridge, and the mic is charging still. Where's the mic? Oh, it's charging. So it's kind of like, maybe at least face it this way. So it's, hello? It's at the charger. So I'm just cleaning while you guys have a look at the sunrise, which I thought would be a nicer view for you. While I'm just doing boring old cleaning. We're between the cloud and the ground. Yes, yes you are. I'm just cleaning. Is this live somewhat silly? Yes it is. Sister Roppongi. Well, you're looking at Tokyo Tower, but we're not in Roppongi. Good morning, Muppets. Clouds move. Gonna have to watch this at 2 times speed. Yes. So I'm just doing the dishes, but I figured it'd be more interesting for you to watch outside for a little bit. Maybe. Just as the sun is coming up. I'm just gonna do 1 round of dishes and then I can Of course you're alive. How many cars out today? It's still 7 a.m. Does it look very dark at the moment? No color, good to go? You should take a time lapse of this view. Feel free to. Hi Victorious One, Merry Christmas! Is it too dark? Is the view too dark? Nice desktop wallpaper. Oh crap, I have no more dishwashing soap. Doesn't look too dark to you, just grey. There will be kindness today. Am I tired? Of course I'm tired. But there's more to be done. Until we're done. Well, at least more done. So, first of all, I'm going to finish doing these dishes and then work out what still needs to be done. Whether or not I should do that now or whether or not it should be held until tomorrow. Crypto Theorem, we're just listening to YouTube lo-fi playlist, like, what's it called? Lo-fi, copyright-free music. Some club, lounge club. Liquid Snake, yeah, we got stood up. Still hasn't responded. And I feel like maybe he'll never respond ever again. So bad. Like, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if they were just trolling me to start with, or if they got nervous or what exactly happened, so. But they basically just ghosted me. He's afraid Chad will beat him up. Still here. We have 36 boyfriends and girlfriends. Correct. Can you see the sunlight shining through the tower 8th on the top? goes, we thank you. I'm actually coming to Tokyo in a month to visit. Cool! I'm not sure in a month, so what, like in end of January? If I'm here, hit me up if you wanna hang out. Hello, the Frank. Thank you. Oh, hang on. Praxamek. Hi. Praxamek, thank you for gift subbing again. 5 gift subs. Pog. Jakos, Atesoe, Dorobojin, Plum Racer, the Morgan Faye. Welcome to the friend zone. いつも応援してくれてありがとう、パクマーク。Now stop scrolling. Pause in the chat. Thanks, Praxamek. We'll be in Tokyo again for Olympics and Paralympics for work. Looking forward to it. Kato-sama, what kind of work do you do? I'm not sure if I should be here for Olympics. I haven't decided. I feel like it's gonna be like really crazy.